Dear students, today we are discuss the northwest corner rule problem, that is a 3 by 3 matrix. There are three origins O1, O2, O3 and the destination D1 and D2 and D3. This is the supply, the requirement supply of first one is the 30 or destination. This is the 20 and this is the 25. This is the 30, 20, 35. And the demand of the first one is the 15. Demand was the first one is the 15. Demand was first one is the 15. Demand one first one was the 15. Second one was 25. Second one was 25. And third one is 35. 15, 25, 35. 30 plus 20, 50, 60, 75. 30 plus 20, 50 plus 75. Both are equal. 75 is 75. 75 and 75 both are equal. And the first one, the origin to destination or time and money, whatever it may be. Maybe is the 6. Maybe is the 6. Is the 8 and the 12. The 10, 9, 7, 3, 8 and 12. 3, 8 and 12. In northwest corner rule, first look this one. This is the east and this is the west. This is the south and this is the north. Northwest, and this is the starting point. Starting point. Your left hand starting point. Your left hand starting point. So this one is the first one, this one. First one starting point. This is the first one. First we have to choose for the minimum of supply and demand. What is the minimum here? Minimum 15 and the min is the 30. The 30 supply is the 30 and demand is the 15. So we choose for the minimum here. Minimum means 15. First we have to choose for the 15 here. 15 choose here. 15 minus 15 is the 0. 15 minus 15 is the 0. 30 minus 15 is the 15. Whatever the 0 is there, we delete that particular row or column. If the column wise is the 0, we delete D1. We delete D1 and write the new table. 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 That is the 2 rows. Sorry. 3 rows. 3 rows. 3 rows, 2 columns, because column 1 is the deleted. Our required supply, first one is the 15, second one is the 20 and the third one is the 25. So 20 plus 25 is the 60. Total is the 60. Now your demand is 25 and 35. 25 plus 35 is 60. Both are equal. Both are equal. And write on the your cost or time or whatever it may be. 8 and 12 and 9 and 7 and 8 and 12. 9 and 7 and 8 and 12. 8 and 12 and choose this one. Northwest corner means this is the first corner. Your left hand side first one. Your left hand side first one. Northwest corner means this one. Choose here the supply. Your supply is the 25 and the demand, your supply is the 15 and demand is the 25. So we choose the minimum. Minimum means 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0. 15 minus 15 is 0. 25 minus 15 is the 10. So 0 is there. So we delete the origin 1 is the completed. So origin 1 is the deleted. And write down the new table of this one. Maybe 2 by 2 matrix. Write down the new table is a 2 by 2 matrix. First one is the 9, second one is the 7, 9, 7, 8, 12 and your supply is 20 and 25. Total is the 45 and your demand is a 10. Your demand is a 10 and 10 and 35. 10 and 35 is also 45. Both are equal. So this is your O2, right? This is your O2 and this is your O3, origin 2, origin 3. This is the destination 2 and this is the destination 3. destination 2 and destination 3. Northwest means I say that this is the left hand side first corner. Left hand side first corner, northwest is the northwest. So take a supply and choose the supply and demand. Supply is the 20 and the demand is the 10. So what is the minimum here? 10. So choose the 10 here. 10 substitute here. 10 minus 10 is the 0. 20 minus 10 is the 10. Delete the D2, destination 2. And write on the new table of this one. This is the new table I done here. What is the new table here? New table is the O2 and O3. O2 and the O3. O2 and the O3. And your supply maybe is the supply is the 10 and 25. 10 and 25 is the 35. Your demand is also for 35. Both are equal. So rest of substitute is the 7 and 12. Northwest means first one. Whatever say is the first your left one is 7. So choose the 10. 10 minus 10 is a 0. 20, 35 minus 10 is a 25. So choose the 10 here. 10 is a cancel. So 0. So delete the O2 and the last only one remaining is it. And the last only one remaining is there. That is for your O3 and this is the I think is the D2, D3. O3 and D3. O3 and D3. So only the 12 is there. Only 12 is there. And the supply is the 25 and demand is also 25. Substitute 25 here. Substitute 25 here. Substitute 25 here. Therefore I done final. IBFS, initial basic feasible solution TP cost. Initial basic feasible solution TP cost is first one. What is the first allocation? First allocation is the 15 into 6. Write down here 15 into 6. 15 into 6. 15 into 6 plus second allocation is 15 into 8. 15 into 8 plus third allocation is the 10 into 9. 10 into 9 plus and the fourth allocation is 10 into 7. 10 into 7 and last one is 25 into 12. 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 That is your answer. Whatever the answer is there, you write here.